Okay, what is capital? Capital, a very vastly used term. Okay, in terms of polity, capital is the place where the center of power is located. Okay, in terms of economy, capital is something which has productive potential, or which enhances productivity. Okay, in some places, capital is also used for money. Okay, in some places it is also used for machinery, factory, equipment. In some places it is used for humans also. Okay, in some places it is used for relations also. Clear that? So anything which contributes in the productive process is called capital. Okay, broadly speaking, capital is divided into three parts. जो deviations, all those deviations from the topics must be written in boxes, so that you can understand this is a separate information, miscellaneous information. Okay, so capital is basically of three types. One is physical capital. Which is machinery, factory, equipment, physical capital. Second is human capital. Okay, human capital means labor force, workforce, human resource. What is the quality of labor force? If it is very much skilled, we can say we have a skilled human capital. We are very rich in terms of human capital. Okay, if the labor force is educated, well knowledgeable, well skilled, we can say rich human resource. India has a very rich human resource. But actually, human capital, only labor force, workforce, and human resource doesn't qualify to be called as a good capital asset for the industry. Okay, what we require is also another capital called social capital. Okay, UPSC very clever, didn't ask this easy, didn't ask this very easy, asked this. Which of the following represents social capital? Social capital, productive potential will be enhanced by something which will have social existence. It will not have physical or human existence. Physically, machinery is visible, factory equipment is visible, human resource is visible, labor force is visible. The cooperation, coordination, interpersonal relations between the labor force and between the employer and the employee, their self-belief and self-trust, their mutual understanding, this is not visible. But if it is there, organization will have huge productive potential. Huge production will take place. If cooperation, coordination is not there, somebody will pull that way, somebody will pull this way, net resultant is the place will remain stagnant. Get the point? So social capital means the bunch of social relationships which bring in cooperation, coordination, and interpersonal relations, communications in the organization. Okay,